Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about accessories, but not in a fast, trend-chasing way. We're talking about Accessory Trends 2026, what's in and what's out, and more importantly, how to use accessories to express your style without overcomplicating your wardrobe. If you love thoughtful styling, timeless pieces with a modern touch, and practical inspiration you can actually apply, you're exactly where you need to be. Number 1. Balaclavas. Balaclavas are no longer just about warmth or practicality. In 2026, they've evolved into one of the most striking accessory statements, blending function with fashion in a very modern way. What makes balaclavas so relevant right now is how they frame the face and instantly change the mood of an outfit. Even the simplest look, a coat, a knit, and trousers, can feel elevated and directional once a balaclava is added. You can wear them fully on, pulled over the head for a strong, confident look, or styled more softly with the front open, almost like a hood or layered scarf. Knit balaclavas in neutral tones, cream, gray, black, or camel, are especially popular because they blend seamlessly into everyday outfits. Number 2. Crochet mesh hats. Crochet mesh hats are stepping into 2026 with a much more refined, wearable energy. What makes these hats feel current is their open weave texture paired with clean, modern outfits. When styled with tailored coats, oversized blazers, simple knits, or monochrome looks, they don't feel bohemian or costume-like at all. Another reason crochet mesh hats are staying relevant is how versatile they've become. We're no longer seeing them limited to summer or beach looks. Worn with long coats, structured trousers, or minimalist dresses, they create that contrast between softness and structure that fashion is leaning into right now. The key is balance. Relaxed texture on the head, clean lines everywhere else. This is what keeps the look chic rather than nostalgic. In 2026, we're moving away from chunky, slouchy knit beanies. Those oversized knitted hats that were everywhere for years now feel a bit heavy and outdated. Number 3. Statement hats. This year, hats are no longer a subtle finishing touch. They're taking center stage and defining the entire look. Styles like pillbox hats, bucket hats, faux fur hats, and newsboy caps are being used as intentional focal points, instantly giving outfits a more styled editorial presence. Even the simplest combinations feel elevated when a strong hat is introduced, adding structure, personality, and a sense of confidence to the overall appearance. In 2026, hats are becoming a styling shortcut for those who want their outfits to feel modern, expressive, and intentional. Whether it's the classic elegance of a pillbox, the relaxed edge of a bucket hat, the softness of faux fur, or the timeless appeal of a newsboy cap, statement hats are proving that accessories can completely transform how an outfit is perceived, adding depth, refinement, and a strong sense of personal style. These pom-pom knit beanies feel overly sporty, too casual, and slightly dated going into 2026. The chunky textures and bulky shapes already push them toward a relaxed, off-duty look, and the added pom-pom detail often feels unnecessary and overdone. Number 4. Animal print. Animal prints are taking center stage in 2026, and this year truly feels like the year of patterns. Leopard, zebra, snake, cow, and even deer prints are everywhere, especially on accessories like hats, scarves, shoes, and bags. Rather than feeling bold or overwhelming, these prints are being used in a more refined, intentional way, making them surprisingly versatile and easy to wear in everyday outfits. A leopard print scarf can add interest to a simple coat, snake print shoes can elevate a minimal outfit, and a cow or zebra print bag instantly gives a modern edge without overpowering the look. These prints no longer feel costume-like. Instead, they act as subtle statement details that bring personality into a wardrobe. A perfect example, just like in the video, is using a single leopard print bag as the focal point of your outfit. You can carry it with a chic, polished look, a relaxed, casual outfit, or something more modern and cool, and it still works. The key is to let the print stand out by pairing it with clean, complementary colors that highlight the pattern rather than compete with it. Number 5. Studded details. In 2026, studded details are showing up in a much more refined and considered way. You'll see them most often on bags, belts, and even subtly on shoes, used as accents rather than the main focus. When placed thoughtfully, studs add texture and a slightly edgy contrast that elevates an otherwise simple outfit. A neutral look instantly feels more interesting when finished with a studded belt or a bag with soft metallic detailing. What really works this year is balance. Studs are no longer about being loud or aggressive. They're about adding a touch of character in a more controlled, thoughtful way. A suede or leather bag with evenly spaced studs, for example, feels visually rich without taking over the entire look, giving just enough detail to catch the eye. The same goes for belts. Worn with jeans, tailored trousers, or even layered over knits, they subtly frame the outfit, adding structure and interest while still feeling wearable, modern, and easy to style. On the other hand, fully studded or heavily spiked shoes are moving out. Those overly sharp, all-over metal designs tend to feel dated and too harsh for the current direction of fashion. Number 6. Chic ladybags. Chic ladybags stand out for their understated elegance and refined simplicity. Their beauty lies in clean silhouettes, soft structure, and carefully chosen details that feel timeless rather than decorative. There's no need for bold logos or excessive hardware. These bags speak through proportion, texture, and craftsmanship, creating a sense of quiet luxury that never feels forced. What makes them truly special is how naturally they fit into any wardrobe. Their neutral tones and balanced designs allow them to adapt effortlessly to different styles, moods, and occasions. Whether the look is minimal, classic, or slightly modern, these bags blend in seamlessly while still elevating the overall impression. At their core, chic lady bags represent ease and confidence. They are designed to be carried again and again, becoming a reliable signature piece that always feels appropriate. Simple, elegant, and endlessly adaptable, they prove that true style often comes from restraint rather than excess. Number 7. Printed scarves. Printed scarves are one of those accessories that quietly return every year, never exactly the same, but always relevant. In 2026, silk scarves, neckerchiefs, and printed styles are once again stepping into the spotlight, not as a trend you force into an outfit, but as a natural finishing touch. Worn loosely around the neck, tucked into a shirt collar, or draped over knitwear, they add movement, contrast, and a sense of personality without overwhelming the look. A single printed scarf can shift the mood of an outfit instantly. As you can see in the video, even something as simple as a red neckerchief paired with dark denim creates a striking visual moment. It brings warmth, depth, and a subtle focal point that draws the eye upward. Patterns, whether geometric, floral, or classic motifs, give outfits a layered feel while still remaining easy to wear. Scarves never truly disappear from fashion. They simply evolve. Each season brings new colors, prints, and ways of wearing them, which is why they remain such a smart accessory to invest in. They adapt effortlessly to different styles and wardrobes, proving that sometimes the smallest detail can make the biggest difference in how an outfit feels and reads. Number 8. Beaded jewelry. Beaded jewelry is making a strong return in 2026, especially through bracelets and necklaces that feel expressive yet easy to wear. This year, beads aren't just playful accents, they're treated as real statement pieces. From polished stone beads to glass, resin, and mixed textures, these designs add color, dimension, and a sense of individuality to even the simplest looks. They feel personal, almost collected over time, rather than mass-produced. What's especially appealing about beaded bracelets and necklaces is their flexibility. They can stand alone as a focal point or be layered for a more textured effect, depending on the mood you want to create. Neutral outfits instantly feel more alive with the addition of beaded jewelry, while colorful looks gain balance when the beads echo or softly contrast existing tones. Number 9. Wired headphones. Wired headphones are quietly making a comeback this year, and yes, even celebrities are embracing them again. There's something undeniably cool and nostalgic about that visible cable, giving everyday looks a more relaxed, real-life edge. They feel less polished, more effortless in a way that looks intentional without trying too hard. Now, I'm curious, have you always used wired headphones or did you switch back from wireless? Let me know in the comments. I'm reading them all, and that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you very soon.